This is NexTechie Autonomo, the brief, your essential briefing on the intersection of automation, AI, and robotics. Let's get rolling.
This is the brief on the industrial maturation of physical AI. You see, artificial intelligence is literally leaping out of the digital realm and right onto the factory floor, fundamentally reshaping global manufacturing and forcing global regulations to rapidly adapt to a whole new physical reality. First, we've hit the massive milestone of mass production. Shanghai-based Agibot just rolled out its 15,000th humanoid robot, validating it by knocking out a 6-day continuous shift with a 99% success rate across 60,000 tasks. Honestly, it's kind of like going from bespoke carriage making straight to the predictable Model T assembly line, proving these systems are now stable business assets, not just science experiments. Second, this mass availability brings us to real-world industrial deployment. Hyundai is integrating Boston Dynamics Atlas robots into its Georgia facility specifically to handle the most physically brutal and hazardous tasks. It makes you wonder, is targeting automation at worker safety and ergonomic metrics, rather than just sheer throughput, the actual secret to gaining social acceptance for robotic coworkers? Finally, there's a pragmatic regulatory pivot happening. The EU recently approved the digital Omnibus on AI, delaying stringent high-risk system obligations to December 2027 to give companies a longer runway. Those strict transparency deadlines still remain for August 2, 2026. But you've got to ask, is this 2027 grace period truly a relief for innovation, or just a temporary pause before the heavy reality of fusing AI with physical cybersecurity protocols becomes the absolute baseline to operate? Ultimately, the era of speculative AI hype has officially been replaced by a landscape of empirical robotic labor and pragmatic governance.
This was NexTechie Autonomo, the brief, just a brief overview. Upgrade your subscription to access the full newsletter and our detailed explainer video.